Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Palisade battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench for the terminals, a 12mm wrench for the hold-down bracket, and a flathead screwdriver for any air duct clips. Make sure you have your new H7 or Group 94R battery on hand. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and safety glasses before you begin any work. Now, let's get to disconnecting the old battery. Open your hood and locate the battery, which is typically under an air duct. Carefully remove any air duct covers using your flathead screwdriver. Next, grab your 10mm wrench and loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal, marked with a minus sign, and remove the cable. Then, repeat this step for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and set that cable aside. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Use your 12mm wrench to loosen and remove the battery hold-down bracket. This bracket secures the battery in place. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries can be quite heavy, sometimes weighing up to 50 pounds, so lift with care. Before installing the new battery, clean any corrosion from the battery tray and cable terminals using a wire brush. To finish up, place your new battery securely into the cleaned battery tray and reattach the hold-down bracket, tightening it firmly with your 12mm wrench. Now, reconnect the positive battery cable to the positive terminal first, followed by the negative cable to the negative terminal, ensuring both are tight with your 10mm wrench. Reinstall any air ducts you removed. Some vehicles may require battery registration, so check your owner's manual. And remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.